welcome back. I'm going to be doing number 4 of the Juleetcode. So I just got in and started reading this, and I figured I would record myself doing this. Because my solution might be good, it might be terrible, we're not quite sure, but I'm going to be doing it in Python. So it is for 137, single number 2. The question is, given an integer array nums where every element appears 3 times except for 1, which appears exactly once, find the single element and return it. You must implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity and use only constant extra areas or extra space. And then it gives you the examples here and then the constraints. So right off the bat, we just have to find the element that only appears once in the given array. So we can use bitwise manipulation. Specifically, we could use like 2 variables, 1s and 2s, to keep track of the bits that have appeared once and then twice. So by updating those variables based on the current number, we should be able to identify which ones appear once. So let's, in my brain this is a lot easier than medium. I did the one yesterday, that took me a while, so I'm going to leave this here and I'm going to start with 1s equal 2s equal to 0. And this is just initializing the 1s and 2s as 0s. So let's go here. So for num in nums, and let's say 1s equal 1s num and 2s. Actually, I need this. And then we're going to do that with 2s also, which is equal to 2s num and 1s. And then, I think that should be it. I mean, that should work, and I should just hit return. So basically, what I just did here was iterate through each number in the input array nums, update 1s and 2s using bitwise operations. So this 1s equals 1s up num and 2s, to update 1s with the current number and applying, just said the word, a bitwise and operation with the complement of 2s. And then the same goes down here for this area. So then after that iteration, and the values of 1s will represent the single element that only appears once. So then all we should have to do is return the value of 1. This could be entirely wrong, so y'all just, we'll run this test. Yeah. There's no way that's medium. There's no way. Okay, let's run it. Oh, okay. So we got it. Nice. So I don't have anything submitted for today yet. Editorials locked, so let's submit. That was a lot easier than I thought. It's my 4-day streak. What up, what up? Okay. Alright. Okay. I'm loving that. Is the editorial? Ugh. Subscribe to unlock lame. Nice. Cool. So that's that. Sorry, I thought this was going to be a longer video because it said medium. Yeah. So I hope that makes sense for people. So just to go over what we did, found an element that only was there once using bitwise manipulation. And you guys can see how easy that is, which is why I don't understand it's a medium. Actually, let's look at a couple other solutions. Yeah, bit manipulation. Let's look at, see what other people have. Oh, I see the numbers. Yeah, I mean, they basically did the same thing. I just did it this way. This was like, oh, that's C++. Trying to find someone else, whoever else could have done a, that's C#, Java. Ooh, one-liner. Oh! Interesting. That's a good solution right there. I like that. Also, if you guys don't do LeetCodes or you're not familiar with them, they're really fun, and I also really like seeing other people's solutions because it can teach me a lot. Because, like you saw, I just kind of like worked through that in my head. Just because it's, and out loud, but I'm really bad at doing it out loud, hence the videos. I'm gonna go back up to those first couple because I'm thinking those are going to be similar to mine. So, that's Python 3. That's Python 3. Oops. Also Python 3. Okay. And this one does a good job of an explanation. I did a terrible job of explaining it, but hopefully you got the gist. Yeah, so that was cool. Thank you guys for doing that with me. I'm gonna do one more today, so you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna make it a different video because I'm gonna pick something out of the crowd, or just go down the list. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.